សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay, what does it mean? So សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា in English it means hello everyone. Hello everyone. So in Khmer we say like this ណា សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay. Welcome back to Learn Cambodian with me again. As I promised my student that next lesson will be a question with where or how to use where in Cambodian language, because he would like to know how to use this word in Cambodian language. Okay, hi, my name is Dara. I'm a Khmer tutor from Khmer Lesson team and a Khmer tutor on Italki.com, as well as I'm a course instructor on Udemy as well. So if a foreigner would like to learn Cambodian with our native tutor or would like to learn directly with me on Italki.com, or you would like to enroll my course on Udemy, you can go to see all our link in description below. Okay, so in this lesson we're gonna learn how to use where in Cambodian language. Okay, so now let's learn through this course together. Making question with where. Okay, where. Okay, so this lesson we're going to learn how to make a question with WH, where. Okay, so now let's start together. Okay, the meaning of the word where in Khmer we say nơi nã, nơi nã. And below is the form of making question with this. Okay, we have subject, verb, complement, and then plus nơi nã. Okay, so now go to see some example together. Okay, start from example number 1. Where do you work? Where do you work? Okay, and then when you say in Khmer, you work where? You work where? No auxiliary verb do anymore. And okay, you work where? And then when you translate into Khmer, អ្នកធ្វើការនៅណា អ្នកធ្វើការនៅណា Okay, so you remember I told you before, like the word to work, the word work we have two. One used as noun, we say ការងារ and then another one we use as verb, I mean to work. Okay, I say ធ្វើការ you see. So this sentence I use work as a verb. I mean you work. You work. Right? Okay, so you work where? So I read this sentence for you again. អ្នកធ្វើការនៅណា អ្នកធ្វើការនៅណា Okay. Okay, go to example number 2. Where is your house? Where is your house? In Khmer you say house, your, where. House, your, where. There is verb to be is. Actually, in Cambodian language, it has the meaning as well. But actually for speaking, we rarely use the verb to be in the sentence. We always silent it all the time. Because some sentence when you translate to be is, sound is so strange, especially when to be stand before adjective. Especially when to be stand before adjective. So this is why I recommend you not to think about the meaning of the word to be, am, is, are in the sentence for speaking. Don't care about it. Just silent or ignore it all the time. So this is why in this sentence I silent to be is. So you will not see is in this sentence, you see? Okay. So again, where is your house? House your where? Okay, and then when you translate into Khmer, you say ផ្ទះរបស់អ្នកនៅណា ផ្ទះរបស់អ្នកនៅណា You see? In English you use your house, but when you say in Khmer you have to say house first and then your next. because I can say it is possessive adjective. So you have to say noun and then adjective after. Okay. So ផ្ទះរបស់អ្នកនៅណា Okay. So ផ្ទះ is house and របស់អ្នក is your. Okay, your. Okay. Go to example number 3. Where are you? Where are you? You see, when you say in Khmer, you where? You where? You see, I silent to be R, so you will not hear R anymore. You where? And then when you translate into Khmer,អ្នកនៅណា អ្នកនៅណា Yeah, you see, it's very easy. Okay. Okay, and we have note as well. When you make a question with where, you have to think about this. You have to think about this. Okay, this is note for where. So you see, when you use where with these 4 verbs, the verb to go, to leave, to stay, and come from. So when you make a question with this verb, where we will not translate as no na anymore. But on the other hand, we just say only na, na. So you see at the left, it's wrong. But at the right, okay, it's correct. Okay, so now start with example of days together. Okay, example number 1. Where do you go? And then you say, you go where? You go where? And the meaning in Khmer, អ្នកទៅណា អ្នកទៅណា So you see, we use only na. You cannot say អ្នកទៅនៅណា អ្នកទៅនៅណា But actually, when you say អ្នកទៅនៅណា is correct. But it has another meaning for this sentence. Not where do you go anymore. Okay. Example number 2 with the word to leave. Okay, the word to leave in Khmer we say រស់នៅ រស់នៅ Okay, so again, where do you live? In Khmer you say you live where? You live where? And then I say in Khmer meaning អ្នករស់នៅណា អ្នករស់នៅណា You see, for the word to live you say រស់នៅ So you have the word no in this word already. So this is why you have to delete one. You have to delete one. Okay. Again, អ្នករស់នៅណា Okay, I mean, where do you live? Number 3. Where do you stay? When you say into Khmer, you stay where? You stay where? And then meaning in Khmer, អ្នកស្នាក់នៅ ណា អ្នកស្នាក់នៅណា Okay, so the word to stay and the word to leave, it's almost the same, you see? Different only the first word, រស់ and ស្នាក់ and the second word, no. So the reason is the same. Okay, ស្នាក់នៅ Example number 4. Where did you come from? And when you change to Khmer style, you come from where? You come from where? And then the meaning in Khmer, អ្នកមកពីណា អ្នកមកពីណា Okay. And មក is to come. And pi is from. So when you say come from, មកពី Okay, so this sentence again, អ្នកមកពីណា Okay. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please have to subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna talk to you in next video.